Hello everyone. Take a section of the hair from the front and then add a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections right underneath it, tie a rubber band, once more roll it on in itself. Tie a braid at the bottom and then tie multiple rubber bands in the middle. Next, make a heart-shaped pattern in the middle and then tie a rubber band to it. Taking the front section of the hair, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this, add more and more sections of the hair into it. Also add sections from the middle section that you had left out initially. Start off by sectioning off the front of the hair, make a braid off the top section of it. Underneath it, tie a ponytail to it, roll it in on itself, tie rubber bands to it. Make multiple sections of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself. Add a thread to it and make a braid using the thread. Take a section of the hair off the top of the head. Begin to braid the hair after dividing it into two portions. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Join it at the back. Add a bow. Take the front section of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Begin to braid the portion of the hair. Do this after sectioning it out. Now, taking the second part of the section, once more begin to braid it while including more sections of the hair into it. Tie a braid at the bottom and roll it upwards. Take a section of the hair off the top of the scalp. Take a small section in the middle and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the front of the scalp into it. Lift it up and tie it up. Take a section of the hair from the front, make two braids out of it. On one of the sides, make multiple sections, include the braid into it. Do this on either side. Leave the rest of the hair free. Thank you for watching.